Stop. In today's video, we are doing a get ready with me as I wait for my client. And hello, gorgeouses. Good morning. So we are here in Tagaytay for a prenup shoot, and I decided na lang na magpaganda ulit. Pag talaga naumpisahan mo yung pretty girl era, parang itutuloy-tuloy mo na siya. So right now, we'll be having a photo shoot here sa Tagaytay Highlands, and I'm excited sa ano ba yung magiging output namin for today. So last time, or I think last month na nag-shoot kami dito, I did a 50th wedding anniversary. So it's a prenup shoot for 50th. It's rare na magkaroon ng client for 50th. So it's a very parang monumental. It's very siya, nakakatuwa na to experience that, no. Syempre goal mo din na ma-experience yung 50th. May 50th. Tas ang sweet nila talaga. I don't know if nakita niyo yun sa mga stories na pinost namin. And in today's video, tingnan natin yung mga looks na makikreate namin today for this prenup. And yesterday naman is, I hope napanood nyo na ang Netflix, Contravida Academy. So I don't know, right now, I'm just obsessed with this eye color na matagal na to sa kit ko. Pagka nagta-travel ako, ito din yung usual ko because instead of using eyeliner, I'm fond of using eyeshadow as eyeliner. So that's one thing I like about the Easy na eyeshadow kasi I can always play around. Pang-contour ko na rin to. Bronzer, pang-contour, ganyan. Eh, since dito sa Philippines, di ba, mahilig tayo sa mga mistisa. So, ang shade ko right now is actually, this is just a BB cream. So, maputi talaga tong BB cream na to. Pero, it blends in. Pero, parang siyang one shade lighter sa akin. But I still love it kasi may redness ako sa skin. And, I'm having some breakouts. So, parang ganyan ang atake natin for today. Kasi nga, nagpa-treatment ako. I just had my treatments done. I'm sure nakita nyo na yan across the video. I'm so obsessed. Like, diba? Konting na lang. Konting gorgeous ka na kaagad. So, ayun. So, if you want to join us in today's prenup shoot, come join us and tara! Pero wala pa pala. So, balik tayo sa pag-makeup. So, this is my next obsession now. I love this powder. This is from, this is a Silk Touch from Tiviant. I am in light 1. I think this is the lightest, Frost. Bilang hindi na ako masyadong lumalabas. So, ito na yung natural kong kulay. Paputi na tayo ng paputi. And then, for my blush earlier, ito yung ginamit ko. Ayan. So, yan ang atake natin. So, pag ito yung ginamit ko sa blush, ito na yung gagamitin ko sa lips. But, ito naman yung lagi kong ginagamit for the lips. Kasi siya. May applicator. And then, kapatuhan ko nito. Ganda na. Para lang hindi siya parang ma-dehydrate. Lalagyan ko nitong lip balm. Parang kailangan kong, parang sa next video na yung actual na. Parang sa next video na yung actual na prenup. Okay. Medyo mahaba na to. Ayan siya. I really love my skin now. Thanks to MD Aesthetic for keeping my skin radiant. Kaya tuloy pagka may event, nilalaban ko na mag-ayos-ayos. Pwede na ba natin isarado to? Pwede ba ako makisuyo nito? Ayan. Buksan na yung may filter na sa taas. Ayan. Para hindi masyag sunlight. Baba na yung filter natin para hindi masyadong hindi masyadong mag-hit yung sun. Though naka-SPF na ako. So I think that's one thing I like about this one. This is still my go-to. So if you are in search of, I think, sige, I'll just create a video kung ano yung mga ginagamit kong mga SPF and BB cream. So for now, I think I need to create another set of video for the prenup itself. But I think this is the look for today. And that's it. Stop.